Hello friends, welcome back to preparation journey another video. Today video topic was reference book for your polity preparation in your UPSC preparation journey. Let's start this video. Which books I have prepared for my preparation journey. I have prepared only two books for my preparation journey. Number one, class 11 NCERT Indian Constitution at Work, and second book, friends, Bible for your polity preparation is M. Laxmikant. I have buy M. Laxmikant 6 revised edition. This is a most affluent books, friends. These two books for you sufficient for your preparation journey, and including friends, please prefer your institution notes, friends. Most of the approximately 90 to 90% candidate read M. Laxmikant. M. Laxmikant books used for your preparation journey is most affluent books, friends. These two books and only these two sources only for you will prepare for a UPSC preparation journey. Including this video, I can't prefer any other source for prepare my polity, friends. Thank you, friends, and please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss any update. Let's meet another video. Thank you, friends. Bye bye.